Hello, I saw your email, your question in the email. You want to solve this equation here for t, which means you want to isolate the t, get it by itself. I decided maybe to work a similar example and then come back to the original question. Perhaps you're more familiar with like 10 equals 2x. How do you solve that? Well, you want to get x, ultimately your goal is to get x by itself. And so the only thing you have to do is get rid of the 2. Well, there's no operation between the 2 and the x, so it's understood to be multiplication. This is 2x or 2 times x. To get rid of the 2, you have to do the opposite. The opposite of multiplication is division. So you need to divide both sides by 2. And when you divide the left side by 2, the 2's are marked out. And then on the right side here, on the right side, you divide each side by 2's, they cancel, leaving you with x. Then on the left side here, divide by 2, 10 over 2 is 5. We want to do something very similar here. We want to get t by itself. And so we want to get rid of the pi and the p squared. There's no symbol here, it's all understood to be multiplication. So to get rid of these two items, you have to divide. And so you divide each side by pi p squared. What you do to one side, you must do to the other side. And so when you divide this side by pi p squareds, the pi's drop out, the p squareds drop out, leaving you with the t, which is your objective. And you also divide this side by that, and this is the answer. And then you need to be real careful when typing it into the computer that, this division line, it's c all over pi p squared. You got to make sure both of these are in the denominator. Hope that helps.